Pailainar ako. Not necessarily a message. I am Jack. I will be the public servant for the COMELEC, Dinagat Islands. I reported last February 16 and I will be here until June 8, unless there will be an extension. I was the Provincial Election Supervisor for Surigao del Norte starting 2009, and by reason of our nationwide reshuffling for the 2016 national elections, I'm here. I was asked if I am good with the assignment since ang katong taga-syudad is remote kayo nila hunahuna na Dinagat. There is no problem with me with regards to the distance. I've been here several times before. In fact, I did the voters education here, the whole province, in 2010. And in the 2013 barangay elections, I was also here in all municipalities doing the voters education also. So this is my nth time in San Jose, but the third time from Basilisag, Libho, Tubahon, and Loreto. San Jose, Dinagat, and Caggiana, this is my nth time already. I know Dinagat people are very friendly people. When I was asked if I'm okay, na-settle down na ba daw ko sa Dinagat, the very nice thing here is walay maglumon nga mga politiko. So even if the distance is dili siya dayon mauli, no? It's okay. Buotan man kaysa dito sa syudad daghan badlongon doon. So we will be working together for the 2016 elections. Hopefully I will have a nice day here in Dinagat Islands. Good morning, everybody.
Once again, welcome attorney sa Dinagat Islands. Sinuod na siya attorney nga buutan gini mga binagat nun niya mga wapo pag yun. Why pagor. Tinuod ka sa attorney no?